Petie ngarmo maramo mot dolo chie wajene Kwalo Barni was something good. Kwalo Barni la woka ibero more Twitter. Twitter was trending. For us as Ugandan, we need a ministerial shuffle. All these ministers mako Kwalo Barni any, regardless of favors or not, they should be kicked out of office.
Kiti wache wa minister megenda mongi bo manjene cabinet pa la dit logo as a whole mir ka ber tem reshuffle ka wang pat.
Now the State House Anti-Corruption Unit gina giti you ilokum gineni. Kada gitiki interest me protecting the image of Uganda and the image of the president as a first line operations. Then probing enemy should not be selected. PM ko bedinero honorable Chitutu. Okar watching, I am sorry for whatever has happened. How do you apologize after such kind of a big fracas? Don't apologize in konyi wakini. How does it happen?
Wamiro beti, wamiro kija.
What wamiro kija? You went and the oath ma ini mo miti utija da me konyo Ugandans riemo ngo. Donka president benawachini he is going to fight corruption tooth and nail. Kid ma ya mwenye kwe. Ana miro wachini there's a time ma president loko ma tek lokum corruption and the late honorable Jacob Olanya Bueno Karo. O loko ma tek. And that was the first time they were making open deliberation on corruption. Kada president take a mirror in your time ni meriamo corruption. Ugandans okero ene kilo kumbeti. Menenone what is going to do. Remember,
kigo marache kilo merke ukere kigo marach ne jeme Uganda bino maliet me mera dwe yo kiano lok we dana wo we lo wen kom bare dana we go we lay kom NSSF dana we go we lay kom Uganda Airlines dana we go we lay kom crude oil pipeline jeme gini wen no we dana we lo.
No, it's just because most people are jokers. And I want to change you, and I keep on saying, Joe, you know where Uganda take money? People who want to survive today, Mawigi will only require mirne, are the ones making us suffer. People don't have a defined way. Ni ano mirati matek, kita yaga yangi waje kwenye ni wegi wago chiara gutiu. Even when they were getting little salary, they were performing to the extreme. O weko kumerika gobedo genera wa America lo kartach makonyo pe. Why? Because they worked so hard.
What you be kia weko kumbeti I old age me megi gipe kichena matika kwa kage.
Ento jo menera ki kumbeti ni kito la chincha wochi kweni ketam kong all these who went to Gulu. Watching how do I benefit by the visit of the president to northern Uganda? As long as I have my allowance, as long as I can get money. After he has gone, what has happened? Ko peteka mete bot dilugulu.
Ala
Ngomo lake kogi. Jomo no chile aliwa pali piarione. Ngetika duwe motaka kumerika idongo yardege. Life is the same. You only have to make a choice ni and la ruby kona tiki lim kona peki lim kona mirobet koman. Ento kwoma intika benini mirobet la nyut it jomo kanene. We jomo kanene ni atamane amar ko pangadi. PM when we emulate good things, one bene kwara be beranyim. Ena kama tila kuoni ke go evul money ring. Hey, ngwata kiteme kono gimontie oh yeah, you don't even benefit, you're wasting your time. Chairman omiribeta timu gimoni, you're just there. This is the problem in the Ugandan community. Owero, it even comes with the leadership code. The same leaders, same people, same problems.